In the vast silence of the universe, a lone traveler crosses the cosmic ocean. Scientists name it 3I/Atlas, a visitor from beyond our solar system. This is only the third time humanity has witnessed such an object. Before 3I/Atlas came Oumuamua and Borisov, two messengers from the stars. 3I/Atlas is unique. It carries frozen gases and ancient dust from a time before Earth was even born, billions of years ago. As it nears the sun, the warmth awakens its icy heart. Jets of gas burst out, forming a glowing halo called the coma. Scientists study its path carefully. Its orbit is hyperbolic, meaning it will visit only once before vanishing into interstellar darkness. Every time a comet like 3I/Atlas visits, it brings clues about the birth of planets, stars, and perhaps even life itself. The ice inside this comet is older than our Sun, a frozen time capsule from another star system light-years away. Astronomers wonder, how many such travelers cross our solar system unseen, too faint to be detected by our telescopes? The future of astronomy may reveal hundreds of interstellar objects, each carrying secrets from distant galaxies. As 3I/Atlas passes by, scientists capture its light with giant telescopes to study its composition in detail. They discover water, carbon dioxide, and other frozen gases, the building blocks of planets and atmospheres. These molecules could even hint at how life's ingredients travel across galaxies, carried by cosmic wanderers. Long ago, such comets may have brought water and organic materials to the early Earth, shaping its destiny. Every interstellar object is like a messenger, a visitor carrying whispers of creation from faraway stars. As telescopes improve, the universe begins to look less empty, filled with countless travelers crossing the dark void. 3I/Atlas travels at unimaginable speed, moving tens of thousands of kilometers every hour through the solar system. Despite its speed, space is so vast that its journey takes millions of years across interstellar distances. Telescopes on Earth and in space follow its path, collecting data night after night as it approaches the Sun. Spectrographs break down the comet's light into colors, revealing its chemical composition across the spectrum. This tells astronomers what elements and compounds lie hidden inside its frozen heart. Some scientists dream of sending spacecraft to intercept such interstellar visitors in the future. These missions could capture samples, bringing pieces of other star systems back to Earth for study. Such samples might reveal new clues about planetary formation and even the origins of life. Each discovery brings humanity closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. 3I/Atlas reminds us that our solar system is not isolated, it is part of a greater galactic neighborhood. Perhaps millions of interstellar objects wander unseen, waiting for technology to reveal their journeys. Some may come from star systems with planets and moons far older than our own. Others may carry materials forged in the hearts of ancient supernova explosions. Every interstellar object is a storyteller, bringing history from places we may never visit. As 3I/Atlas continues its journey, humanity watches in awe, knowing it will never return again. As 3I/Atlas moves past the Sun, its tail grows brighter, shining like a cosmic torch in the darkness. The sunlight breaks apart molecules in its coma, creating a glowing cloud that stretches millions of kilometers. Astronomers compare its composition with previous interstellar visitors to find similarities and differences. Each object tells a unique story about the star system where it was born. Some scientists believe interstellar comets may be fragments of failed planets or shattered moons. Others suggest they might carry organic molecules, ingredients for life itself. If true, comets may play a key role in spreading life's building blocks across the galaxy. 3I/Atlas gives us a rare chance to test these theories with real data. Teams of scientists around the world coordinate to capture images and spectra before it disappears forever. Every observation counts, because once it leaves, it will never return. The story of 3I/Atlas is a story of cosmic chance, an object passing by our tiny planet on its eternal journey. It comes from the coldest, darkest places between the stars, regions we can barely imagine. Temperatures there are close to absolute zero, freezing everything into rock-solid ice. Only when these travelers approach stars do they awaken, releasing gas and dust in spectacular displays. 3I/Atlas is not alone. Millions of comets orbit our own sun, but this one came from far beyond. This makes it a rare scientific treasure, a messenger from another star. Each measurement helps us understand how other solar systems might form and evolve. Perhaps one day, we will learn which star 3I/Atlas originally came from. For now, it remains a mystery, a silent traveler from the depths of the galaxy. Some researchers believe many more such visitors pass through unseen every year. These interstellar objects may hold answers about the galaxy's history locked inside their icy cores. Each one carries secrets from its birthplace, clues to alien worlds we may never see. Studying 3I/Atlas pushes our technology to its limits: telescopes, spectrographs, and powerful computers. Data from around the world is combined into a single picture of this mysterious traveler. Every photon of light it reflects tells us something about its composition and structure. Some even wonder if one day we could send a spacecraft to intercept such a visitor. This would allow scientists to directly sample material older than our entire solar system. Such a mission could reveal how planets, moons, and maybe even life itself began. Until then, we rely on our eyes, telescopes, and imagination to explore these cosmic wanderers. As 3I/Atlas drifts into the distance, humanity watches, studies, and learns from a traveler that came from the stars. As 3I/Atlas travels farther from the sun, its once brilliant tail begins to fade. The energy it gathered near the sun slowly diminishes as it enters the cold void again. Scientists analyze every image before the comet becomes too faint to see. Telescopes across the world follow it as far as their instruments allow. They capture spectra of its light, searching for complex molecules hidden within. Carbon, oxygen, and even traces of organic compounds appear in the data. These are the same elements that built our own planet billions of years ago. Some scientists believe life's first ingredients may have come from comets like this one. Comets may have seeded young planets with water and complex chemistry. Comets may have seeded young planets with water and complex chemistry. Every interstellar visitor carries a piece of that story from far beyond our reach. Perhaps some fragments carry not just water, but the chemistry of life itself. This possibility fascinates scientists studying the origins of life on Earth. Every interstellar comet could be a time capsule from another world. It may have traveled for millions, even billions, of years before reaching us. In that time, entire civilizations could rise and fall on distant planets. Yet the comet moves on, unaware of the stories it carries with it. It is silent, indifferent, but full of information waiting to be discovered. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the universe. From dust to stars to life, everything is connected by cosmic threads. As 3I/Atlas fades, astronomers calculate its future path into the unknown. It will pass beyond the reach of our instruments, into the silence between stars. Like other interstellar travelers, it may wander for eons before approaching another star. Perhaps it will never again pass so close to a world with curious beings watching. Each interstellar comet reminds us how small and precious our planet is. We share the galaxy with countless wandering objects, each with its own story. Some might bring water, others metals, and maybe even the chemistry of life. The more we discover, the more we realize how connected the cosmos might be. 3I/Atlas is only the beginning. Many more such travelers will surely come. And each one will bring us closer to understanding the galaxy we call home. By now, 3I/Atlas is a faint speck, almost invisible against the stars. Telescopes switch to longer exposures, gathering the last photons of light. Each image is a final snapshot of its brief visit to our cosmic neighborhood. As the data is analyzed, patterns emerge about its composition and origin. The ratios of gases, ices, and dust hint at the environment where it formed. Was it born near a small, cold star? Or in the chaos of a giant young system? Each clue takes us closer to understanding not just the comet, but our galaxy's history. Comets like 3I/Atlas are relics from the galaxy's distant past. Some may be older than our own Sun, forged before our solar system even existed. That makes them precious messengers from a time before time, carrying frozen history. Scientists compare its data with that of 1I/Oumuamua and 2I/Borisov. They ask, are these objects common visitors or rare accidents? Mathematical models suggest millions may pass through the galaxy every year. But only a few wander close enough for us to notice. With better telescopes, we may soon discover many more. Projects like the Vera Rubin Observatory will scan the sky every night. They will catch even faint visitors before they vanish into the dark. Someday, we may even launch missions to study them up close. Sample return missions could bring back pieces of alien worlds to Earth. Each fragment would tell the story of a different corner of the galaxy. Perhaps one will carry clues about how life began here on Earth. The answers could change how we see ourselves in the universe. For now, we wait, watch, and wonder about these interstellar messengers. 3I/Atlas may be gone soon, but its story will remain in our data and memories. Every new visitor will teach us something new about the galaxy beyond. And one day, one might bring the ultimate answer: are we alone? For now, these cosmic visitors leave us with wonder and endless questions. As 3I/Atlas drifts away, astronomers prepare for the next discovery. Because out there, among the stars, more messengers are surely coming. And each one carries a secret waiting to be uncovered. As 3I/Atlas leaves the solar system, scientists archive every observation for future generations. They create simulations of its journey through the galaxy, tracing its ancient path. These models reveal where it might have been born long before Earth existed. Some believe interstellar objects may come from regions like the Oort cloud around other stars. These regions act as frozen archives, preserving cosmic history for billions of years. Collisions or passing stars may kick these icy bodies into interstellar space. Over time, they drift alone through the galaxy, silent witnesses to cosmic history. Each one may carry clues about its home system's chemistry and evolution. Some even speculate that comets might transport microbes between planets. This idea, called panspermia, suggests life might spread across the stars via comets. While unproven, it remains one of science's most fascinating possibilities. 3I/Atlas reminds us how much remains unknown about the universe. Future telescopes will give us clearer views of these mysterious travelers. Missions like James Webb and future observatories will capture details we can only dream of now. Every discovery adds to our cosmic map, showing how connected the galaxy truly is. Someday, we may even send probes beyond the solar system to follow these objects. Such missions would give us direct samples from another star system. Bringing such material back to Earth would be like opening a time capsule billions of years old. Each sample would tell a story older than our planet, older than the Sun. It would show us what conditions existed before life began anywhere. Some scientists dream of landing on an interstellar object one day. They imagine drilling into its core to study chemistry unchanged for billions of years. Such a mission would need advanced propulsion to chase these fast travelers. Even nuclear-powered rockets have been proposed for these daring journeys. It may take decades before such missions become reality. But each discovery brings that dream closer. 3I/Atlas might be gone, but it inspires the next generation of explorers. Every interstellar object is a messenger from far beyond our world. Some may hold mysteries that could rewrite cosmic history. And perhaps, one day, we will be ready to follow where they came from. The quest for interstellar knowledge will not stop with 3I/Atlas. Each visitor from beyond our solar system teaches us something new. Soon, new telescopes will detect smaller and more distant interstellar objects. Artificial intelligence will help analyze the flood of cosmic data. With better tools, we may learn if these objects carry organic molecules or water. Such discoveries might point toward the building blocks of life across the galaxy. Some scientists believe comets may have seeded early Earth with water and organics. This idea connects cosmic events to the origin of life itself. If true, life on Earth may be part of a far larger cosmic story. Every interstellar object could be a chapter in that story. One day, we may intercept one before it leaves the solar system. Such a mission would revolutionize our knowledge of distant worlds. Until then, we watch the skies for the next messenger. Perhaps the next one will come from even farther away. Each time, humanity grows more prepared to study these cosmic wanderers. And perhaps, one day, to travel where they came from. Our curiosity drives us to chase the unknown. It is the same curiosity that led us to cross oceans and climb mountains. Now, our oceans are the stars themselves. 3I/Atlas is one wave in this vast cosmic sea. Others will follow, carrying secrets from places we may never see. But we will be here, ready to learn. Perhaps one day, we will even find one carrying signs of life. Such a discovery would change humanity forever. For now, we dream of that moment. Each interstellar visitor keeps hope alive. They remind us the universe is not empty, but full of surprises. And that we are part of this grand cosmic story. A story written across billions of years and countless worlds. 3I/Atlas is just one chapter in this infinite book. Soon, the next chapter will begin. And with it, new questions will arise. Questions about life, origins, and our place in the cosmos. The answers may be waiting in the icy hearts of these travelers. So we keep watching the skies. Because somewhere out there, another visitor is on its way. It may already be crossing the void between stars. Soon, it will appear as a faint point of light in our telescopes. And then, the cycle will begin again. And then, the cycle will begin again. Through it all, humanity will keep searching. Searching for meaning, for connection, for understanding. Perhaps one day, we will find we are not alone. Until then, we dream beneath the stars. And wait for the next messenger from the depths of space. Each one whispering secrets from far beyond. And reminding us how much there is left to learn. 3I/Atlas is gone, but its story will echo for centuries. Because every traveler from the stars carries a piece of the universe's soul.